demo on the data science training classes. At SQL School, we are strongly committed to provide you the best training services. This particular short demo is all about data science training program. For last 2 decades, I have been creating lot of database professionals, lakhs of database professionals. This particular data science training program is carefully focused, cautiously curated to make you a true professional in complete data science activities, right from the ingestion of data to data cleansing, processing, data exploration activities, feature engineering concepts, model building, model evaluations, model deployments, communications, and insights. Internally, all these 9 modules involve machine learning, deep learning, algorithms, and even CI/CD deployments, app deployments, visualizations, NLMs, reports, business impact analysis, feature engineering, patch discovery, and so on. Trust me, things are very simple, straightforward, and need your support. You need to practice on time because our training methodology is focused on practical implementation and confidence building with technical grip on the subject. Step-by-step classes, daily practice sessions, assignments and assessments, real-time scenarios, interview questions are all the main key takeaways of our training sessions. Let's learn, practice, build, and get hired as soon as possible with our expert placement guidance. Things will be very clear, straightforward in our training classes. I myself, Sai Fanindra Toleti from SQL School, I am one of the trainers for this activity, for this entire course. Additionally, we have a pool of other trainers as well, well experienced, well qualified, and industry experts. For last 2 decades, I have been into the database technology, and my colleagues and professionals in subject area, the SMEs, will be taking care of your training. We at SQL School will make sure your learning process is simple, streamlined, and useful. Here are the levels of the training program for data science. The entire course is divided into 3 different levels. Level 1 will be teaching you the database concepts, Power BI with AI and Copilot, and Python analytics. Module 1 or level 1 is for about 3 months. Then module 2 or level 2 has Python programming, AI, ML, and statistics for next 2 months. Then comes level 3 or module 3 that has advanced machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, AI, Gen AI, and prompt engineering for additional 3 months. You may go level by level. You opt for level 1 first, complete your practice, complete your case studies and project work, then go for level 2 and so on. Total course is for 8 months, but when taken at each level individually gives you the best results. In level 1, we'll be learning about the SQL concepts, detailed step-by-step, a strong foundation to step into module 2 Power BI with AI Copilot, then into module 3, that is Python for data analytic activities. As a data scientist, data analysis concepts are very much required. Then comes level 2, we have programming, Python programming, and Python AI ML activities, and advanced statistics. Then level 3 would be about advanced level, the machine learning concepts. And we have the natural language processing, deep learning, computer vision. And finally, we have the concepts pertaining to transfer learning and YOLO activities, the new versions with text processing, vectorizations, RNN, encoders, AI, Gen AI, and prompt engineering activities. Everything would be detailed step by step. No doubt about it. Practice on time. Once you enroll for the course, my recommendation once again, go for level by level for best results, best project work experience with us. Thank you so much and see you there in our actual classes. Thank you once again. Bye-bye. Take care. And please, once you join the course, make sure we do on-time practice for best results. Thank you so much. Signing off. See you there in my live class. Thank you once again.